Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change shape alignment from horizontal to vertical. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then go to the Insert menu. Select the Shape drop down menu. We can see here many shapes. Now I am select the triangle shape and draw this shape. Then select the shape drop down menu again and select another shape. Now I am select the sun shape, then draw the shape. Now we want to align the shape horizontal to vertical. Select the multiple shape, press and hold the shift, go to the shape format menu, choose alignment drop down menu, select the center align. You can see here we align the object vertically. You can align horizontally. Click this align option, choose middle. Now we can see we align shapes horizontal to vertical easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.